Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to space. Say these words with your English voice. Comet. Comet. A comet is an object that moves around the sun, usually at a great distance from it, that is seen on rare occasions from the Earth as a bright line in the sky. Asteroid. Asteroid. This is one of many large rocks that circle the sun. Lunar. Lunar. This is something of the moon or relating to the moon. Eclipse. Eclipse. This is an occasion when the sun disappears from view, either completely or partly, while the moon is moving between it and the Earth, or when the moon becomes darker while the shadow of the Earth moves over it. Meteor. Meteor. This is a piece of rock or other matter from space that produces bright light as it travels through the atmosphere. Wormhole. Wormhole. This is a special type of structure that some scientists think might exist, connecting parts of space and time that are not usually connected. Satellite. Satellite. This is a device sent up into space to travel around the Earth, used for collecting information or communicating by radio or television, etc.